Hello everyone. Today I'd like to show you how you can buy cars from Japanese auto auctions using our website. First of all, you will need to go to japanmotor.com website, and once you go there, you will see this page. This is our home page. And before bidding, we would highly recommend you to read a bit about auctions and the process because it's really helpful in the beginning to familiarize yourself with the process. So for that, you need to scroll down a little bit, and here you can find general information about auctions, auction grading system, terms and conditions with Japan Motor, and import regulation in different countries. So, if you are a beginner and if you're new to auctions, this will provide a lot of information and the background about auctions. So, once you've done that, you can navigate to my account and click on register. So here you need to register yourself on the website first so you gain access to auction cars. So you need to fill in all these details, and once you've done that, you will receive a confirmation email to your email address with an activation link. So once you activate your account, you need to come back to the home page again and click on auctions and statistics, and you need to log in first. So basically, so once you've logged in, you will see these tabs on the left. So basically, if we go through each of them, this is my bids under review, the bids that have been approved, the bids that have been cancelled, the bids that have already finished, and the bids that have won. So bid history, here you can see your past bids. Purchased cars, you can see the cars that were purchased in the past. The payments, if you make any payment for cars, for purchases, or a deposit, then your payments will be shown here. And the profile, then we have favorites, favorite cars, let's say. And here we have car auctions, which is very important. This is by far the most important because here you will be searching for cars. And here we have car statistics. You will be using this tab to search for cars that have been auctioned in the past and to know their prices. For example, here you can see the start price, the sold price, right? So you know that this very car was sold for this amount, but here it says not sold. Let's say this one, it was sold for 50,000 yen, and you can actually make a bid for a similar car, let's say like 55,000 or 60,000. This actually helps to get a better understanding about the prices. And then we have bike auctions. You can also buy a motorcycle on our website as well. And here we have bike statistics. The same with car statistics. Here you can see the bike prices in the past for how much they have been sold before. And here we have one price section. So basically here there is no auctioning. If you like a car and if you like the price, then our team can buy those units for you. So to start with, you need to go to car auctions first, and depending on what car you're looking for, you need to make a filter. For example, if I'm looking for a Porsche, let's say 911, let's say year 2009, right? And click on search. So we have two units available on auction. You need to look at the dates immediately because it's very important to check when they're auctioned. So both of them are auctioned today at USS Nagoya. So to gain more information, you need to click on the lot number. So first, you will see this blurry picture, but you will need to request extra images here. Click it, and then it will show more pictures. And here we have more information about the car, and on the right side we have place a bid tool. So first, before actually placing a bid and requesting more photos, you need to pay the initial deposit, which we call the security deposit. So we give you VIP access on our website. So once you have paid the deposit and gained the access on our website, You can make bids, you can have more information, you can gain our sales manager's assistance as well. So here we have the pictures. You can click on it to see them in a better format. And here we have the information about this car, the lot number, as we can see, 58275. The auction house is USS Nagoya. The date and time, it's auctioned today, 14th of March 2025, and the time when it's auctioned is 14:13. So basically the status is still ongoing, it has not finished yet. The condition is 4. We'll talk about it a bit later. The make is Porsche model 911. The year we have 2009. The mileage is 62,000 kilometers. And we have here further information about the car. It's 911 Carrera. It's a coupe. The color that we have is white. The engine, the transmission, the drive system, and the horsepower. So we also have here the auction sheet, which is really important to pay attention to. Our sales managers actually translate this auction sheet from Japanese to English as per our standard procedure, so it's easier for our clients to understand what's written there. So basically this auction sheet provides all the information about the car, whether it has any modifications, or if it has been in an accident or something, or if it has any minor damages like scratches or dents or any rust, right? Also, it provides information about maintenance records, the service records, whether it has been imported by a dealer or a private person. So it also gives information about the accessories. So all the information about the car is provided on this auction sheet, and our team will translate the sheet to you before making a bid. So once you have gained all this information from our sales manager, and once you're ready to place a bid, you need to as mentioned before, you need to place a deposit first, so you gain this place bid tool because it's not given to everyone. So once you pay the deposit, we will give you VIP access on our website, and with the VIP access comes the bidding access. So once you have this access, you need to input your bid. For example, let's say I'm ready to pay let's say 5 million yen for this very car. So that's my budget, and once I've entered my bid here, I need to click on place bid. So here I agree with Japan Motor terms and conditions, and if I click bid now, then I am placing a bid on this very car. However, we always recommend our clients to check car statistics before making a bid, because they need to understand the market value of such cars. They need to compare it with the cars that have been sold previously. So we need to go to car statistics, and we need to filter Porsche 911. The year doesn't really matter. What really matters is the chassis ID. We need to understand this. It's 997 MA102. Basically, if you filter this chassis ID, which is here, then you're filtering the same model car. So here we have some cars. However, as the USS auction houses do not provide the past pricing, we cannot view them directly. However, for other auction houses, for example, for this one, for ZIP Tokyo, lot number 159, we can view that this car was sold for 5,630,000 yen. So if we click on it, we can see more information. We can see when it was auctioned. It was auctioned like about 2 months ago, and it was sold. The start price was 3 million, and it was sold for 5,630,000. So here we can see that the car has 5 score, while our car, the white one, has 4. So basically, which means that our car will be less expensive because it has 4 grade, while this silver one has 5. And regarding the mileage, it's 62,000. This is 45,000. So our white Porsche has more mileage, which means that it will be even less expensive. So here we can see that the car was sold for 5,630,000 yen, and we can estimate and we can bid maybe 5 million or 5,200,000. So if it fits our budget, then we enter our bid and click on place bid. I agree with Japan Motor terms and conditions and bid now. Your bid was accepted. You can monitor the progress of this auction on My Bids page. If we win this auction, you will also receive a confirmation by email. So close. If you go to My Bids under review, so here we have this very car. We bid 5,200,000 yen. So once the auction is over, the results will be updated on this very page, and if we win this car, then we need to make the payment within 3 working days, and then the Japan Motor team will start the export process. So regarding the initial deposit that we paid for this car, we can either use the deposit to offset the total amount, so you pay less amount, or you can also keep your deposit to make further bids. So just to clarify on the on this, let me see, on the condition, this 4, right? We need to come back to the home page and click. We have here auction grading system. We need to click on more, and it will take us to this specific page where we can have a bit deeper understanding about the condition and the grading system. So if the car, this white one, has 4 grade, which stands for the overall condition, here it has 4, we can read it. It means that the car is in normal condition, which might have visible scratches. In the interior might be found tears, cigarette holes, or stains. So 4 grade, to my experience, is an average condition. It might have some cosmetic imperfections, but mechanically the car is in very good shape. So the interior grading is also available here. We can see it's not in numbers, but it's in letters A, B, C, D, E. So where you can see such grading is here under the 4 grade. You can see it's either A, B, C, D, or E. So the if it's B, we can come back and see that the car is in good condition. The interior looks nice and tidy. So the interior is in a good shape. The exterior might have some scratches. So as we can see here on the auction sheet, it's easy to understand that A1 here stands for a small scratch. So you can understand that on the left front fender there is a small scratch, and on the left rear fender there is also a small scratch. On the right door also there is a small scratch, right? And small stone chip on the windshield. So basically here, just to help the customers, this tool has also been created so that it's easier to understand for clients in what condition the car is. So once you have placed a bid, and if you win this car, then you need to make the payment as mentioned, and after that the Japan Motor team will start the export process. So once the car ships from Japan, we will also send you all documents as per DHL, including the invoice, the bill of lading, the export certificate, and the translation of export certificate. So all these documents will arrive at your destination port before the car actually arrives, so you can prepare for customs clearance. So if you would like to bid on other cars, you can repeat the same, going to car auctions, looking for cars and making bids. You will be handled by an individual which is who is responsible for your account, and he or she will be helping you in the process by accepting your bids, by translating auction sheets to you, and by updating you on the shipment status. So basically that's all the information that we wanted to share with you. Thank you very much for your attention, and it has been a pleasure. Thank you.